Okay. Didn't I say it before? Don't come at me like that. Come at me like that. Way back when I said don't come at me like that. Come at me like that. It was like back in December. Tell me why don't you remember? Did you need some type of clarity? I could say that is what it would be. But then you went away. You asked if I could stay, and asked me if I wanna ride. Oh, you asked if I would ride. Yeah. Didn't I say before? Don't come at me like that. Come at me like that. Way back when I said don't come at me like that. Come at me like that. It was like back in October. Woke up, you were finally sober. Got back in the bed to get sanity. I could say that is what it would be. Then you went away. You asked if I could stay, and asked me if I wanna ride. Asked if I would ride.
It's after the second verse.
Okay.
So this part.
Can I look at her at all?
Yeah, do whatever you want.
I don't want to be
You're weird.
It's right after.
Quan, that's staying in there, bro. Staying in there. Cameo, the cameo.
I can't say this.
So you really need to go somewhere else and do your video.
Well, we were talking to our friend. They said it was okay. Marcy over here.
Your friend can't give you permission. The permission would have to come from me. I'm the property manager.
Oh, okay. She lives in, what's this one right here? I forgot the number, but she lives over there in there. She's my friend from high school, so.
I don't know any Marcy.
Oh, okay.